So,
burping contest.
this is Melina.
I always look like a dork on camera.
Oh, that's good. You look really short, Mari.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, keep like that. Like,
Okay.
don't make fun of my braids, okay?
Okay, so we're
doing
gonna
an
do
experiment.
a burping contest with 0-calorie soda.
Zevia.
I mean pop.
Ooh, that looks cool.
We
One in
don't
the back.
call it soda
in front.
here in the
Ohio.
US.
Here in the northern Ohio.
Yeah, we call it pop for all you Southerners.
Are people who live in Pennsylvania or Jersey? No. Okay, so this is Zevia. 0 calories. It has nothing except
No sugar, no calories.
except 7 grams of carbs.
See
but
how it's
whatever.
clear? That's how pop should be.
Well, actually.
Yeah, no like flavoring. Well, there's no artificial
It's
flavoring.
actually dark.
or-
Yeah, it says artificial flavoring right here.
Where?
Wait. Where's artificial?
Naturally flavored. Okay. Anyway.
I thought
She's
I saw artificial. Shut up.
Okay, so. Oh.
You get.
So. Yeah, it's just good for you. Whatever. It's not good for you, but it's not. bad.
Actually, the Zevia, Dr. Zevia is dark. Like, it has color. So,
That's probably from the ingredients.
once we get this all filled up to the top, we're going to drink it. Obviously. And then we're going to have a burping contest. How are we going to do this? Mel, you're the judge.
Yeah, you're the judge.
Whoever has the longest, we'll do
Whoever has the longest burp wins.
longest
Remember
burp
that
wins.
one?
You like pass the grapes and you're like pass the grapes. You burp the whole time. But the problem was
Is
that
my
what they
parents.
do?
The problem was though is that we weren't supposed to be laughing.
shy
I
he
think it
is.
was. We weren't supposed to laugh. Like my parents would yell at us.
I'm gonna swallow all those whole. Okay, whatever. Ready?
No. Mel, you're the judge, okay? No, we gotta yawn first. I failed that one. That was my attempt.
Ready?
Wait.
Give you. How do you like? How do you like?
Are you gonna try this?
It's not good warm.
Ooh, it's
That's why I put it in the fridge
grape is the best.
because it tingles my throat.
Okay, ready?
Black cherry's the bomb.
Is bomb.
Actually,
not
the grapefruit's pretty good.
Yeah,
I like the
grapefruit.
orange.
Grapefruit citrus.
I like the orange.
Okay, ready?
The pink is gross. The strawberry.
Oh no, strawberry's the best. Okay,
They're all good.
Okay, it's only been 2 minutes.
They should make the
seconds.
green one.
No, there is.
Yeah,
it's
Mountain
a
Dew.
Mountain
Oh
Dew.
yeah.
Okay, ready? Set.
I feel like this is a chugging contest.
What the heck? I don't know why that's funny. There's like 1 second. Wait, what am I burping at? Can burp the longest?
Yeah. Who has the longest burp?
Oh no, Nikki, why that made us laugh when you made that face? You guys fail. That kind of one. Does that count
Doesn't
as long
matter,
when
it's
you
not
croak?
long
Does
anyway.
that count as long? Does that count if you croak? Like you're like, I don't know how to croak, but.
That was the longest one.
Oh! I'm not done yet.
She puts it down.
How about you have the whole can? No fair, you made me laugh. Stop! I don't know, you're making me laugh. When my cheeks go up, my burping skills go down.
How come I had such long ones downstairs?
Darn it. I never have long burps. It's sad.
We gotta advertise the product.
Oh, intermission. Commercial. There. There. Black cherry and grape. 2 different. Can I have your last ice?
I'm still longer than yours so far. What? My last ice?
Yeah.
Sure. You can have what's left of it. I think we should do round 2.
You have none left.
Yeah, I know.
Well, rack
No.
it up.
Actually, it wasn't as good as Kylie's, but considering my burping
All
skills.
for all
No,
you
look,
London
I'm trying to
folks out
burp.
there.
I'm going to try to burp by will. Okay, ready?
Mhm.
I mean, now I have to burp for real. Okay, ready? I'm going to burp. What do you do?
Can't
Like
get
a
a burp.
I can burp on command, ready?
Did you hear that little thing? That was my burp.
Okay, so you're not done with your can yet, so... Oh my god, Mari, I'm done with all of it.
Oh my gosh. Hey, I was going to have some, but okay.
Even Mel's done with her can.
Oh, here, real big one.
No,
We'll have to play it back and see. That wasn't continuing.
Yeah.
I got a clog in my throat. Yes,
No,
it
that's what
was.
mine happened. That's what happened with mine. I was like,
That's what mine happened.
serious.
She drooled.
Yeah. Oh, no, I was literally clogging down.
Okay, I'm
my-
not waiting for you to finish that whole cup.
Oh well.
Just chug
we
it.
each had an equal term.
Just
I'm gonna get a brain freeze.
How do you get brain freezes? I have never got
such
one.
a slow Mari, you have to take big sips.
That's what I did. I took like I just swished it and chugged it.
She
How
sucks
do you
at
get brain
drinking
freeze?
fast.
How do you get brain freeze? I have never got a brain freeze. Mine has tried to help me get a brain freeze. I've never got one.
Never gotten a brain freeze.
Not in my life. I didn't get. I
Oh,
got
that's
like my.
bad.
No,
we should have
no.
mission make Mel get a brain
No,
freeze.
I started
tonight.
getting headaches. Like my first couple headaches were in 5th grade, like last year.
Okay, drink.
I never got headaches before then. I had one headache when I was 4, but that's it before I was in 5th grade last year.
We're gonna have to make her get a brain freeze, okay? Can you drink a lot of water like really fast?
I know what to do.
I'm trying. Mari took like a slushie and made me like drink it really, really fast, or a cold drink and make me drink it really fast, or like chug it. Damn. I don't know, I'm repeating myself. Mine was longer than that.
Yeah. Okay, Mari, are you done yet?
I'm
Seriously.
trying to burp
Does
that
it
way.
look like it?
I got done like 3 minutes ago.
It's.
I get to like 5 minutes ago. No. Are we so ladylike?
So today I'm
yeah,
gonna be
every
showing
guy
you
should
how
follow
to do
us.
French nails.
Seriously, you have to drink.
Now you're gonna say seriously, I have to dream. No one's interested. Just look at Zevia. Commercial break. That comes in grape. Grape deal.
Make a leak.
And this is what it does to people.
No.
Yeah.
It's like a brain is like a headache, or
No, it's just like hurts kind of bad for the first.
in the
like,
brain?
seconds.
Because I don't.
Not in the brain. It's like in your. I don't even know where it is. I try not to get them.
Hurts where
No.
it hurt.
I don't get it. Like how it's a brain freeze. Like I don't get what happens.
I got a brain freeze from eating a popsicle.
No, I've got a like. Is this a brain freeze when you bite into ice cream and the top
No,
of your teeth
that's-
tinker?
No, no, no.
It's called brain freeze.
Mari, drink.
He's like, it's called a brain freeze. It's not a.
She's bad at.
Oh, Mari, you should do the dancing where you go like this.
Remind me to remind you never to be a
Mari,
professional.
Mari, when you tucked your like when you used to
Or
have
go to
those
college
pants.
parties.
Mari, when you used to,
Gay.
Mari, when you used to, Mari, you
Stop.
should do the dancing where you used to.
Wait, you know.
No, and then you went like that and you did the dancing. Remember that?
Do it again.
No.
Jeez,
I can still dance.
No more. Do the thing of a jigger. Do the dance. Tuck your shirt in. That looks funny when you tuck your shirt in. Actually, it doesn't look that cool because you're wearing like something that's supposed to be tucked in. So ugliest. That was cool.
Okay, go.
No one can do it anymore. I can't do it as good as you. One more time. One more time you do it. until Carly tries, and then I'll try.
Okay, on the camera.
So wait, go. That'd be hilarious.
Okay, you ready?
You're doing it wrong. You're like this. I can't do it. Fine, I'll do it.
Okay.
You ready? What?
Do it.
Okay, I'm bad at this.
What if it was like no space left? Video stopped.
I can't.
I still like Mari's the best.
I know Mari
Oh,
is
do
the
yours
best.
again.
Do it one more time. Your butt. I love your little smile when she does it. Like.
Okay, bye.